friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today it's a plant video and this is my maple leaf ivy. Actually, I've taken a cutting from here, that's why I can see growth at two different points. That's the new leaf. See how pretty it is. Now moving on to my caladium, I think this is the last leaf that I am going to see in the season, because once the leaf dries up, I don't think a new one is going to come till the next monsoon. Now this is my cute sedum, all grown from leaf. That is the best part about this succulent. See how cute, how pretty it is looking. I'm actually waiting for it to color up. Now that's my colorful Aglaonema lipstick, and yes, it justifies the name lipstick. Look at the vibrant shades, the colors. Oh my god, yes, you are looking very pretty. And the thing that I wish to do is repot. Actually, not repot. I need to separate some plants from it, and then it's going to do better. Now this is my spider plant, which has been neglected for quite some time. I just checked, it is also ready for separation. Now again back to Aglaonema. I have just not finished admiring this beauty. Look at the leaves. Oh my god. Now moving ahead to my strawberry eyes. This is the Syngonium or the arrowhead plant. That's the recent purchase, and the leaf that you see right on top is the new leaf that has unfolded, and another leaf down there. This is one of the plant that was there in my wish list for quite some time, but it didn't take too long to come to me. I'm so happy with the purchase, and look at the beauty. It's actually a plant that is to be admired. A beautiful plant. Now this is my Manjula pothos, which is also doing extremely well. A beautiful plant. Wait, this is my bougainvillea. See, earlier I had shown you the pink bracts or the flowers, and now this is another one that is coming in the same plant, and it is shaded. Now this is my kalanchoe, the panda spore, one of the easy growing succulent. You just don't have to worry about it. It is a beginners friendly succulent, yes, because if we buy succulents and if it keeps dying, that is very disappointing for a person who is new into gardening. So this can be one of the succulents that one can have in the earlier days of growing succulent. Yes, that is what I meant to say. Now this is my sedum again, grown from leaf. I have put it into this particular pot because it was showing some aerial roots, and hope so it turns out beautiful. Now this is my chubby one, the chubby succulent. I just love this plant, so compact. So thank you my dear friends for staying till the end. If you all have liked this video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye for today.